The new blue license plate clearance rules have been implemented. What car should we choose? HOWO Commander is your best choice. First of all, this car is definitely the ceiling in the industry in terms of appearance and cost performance. This car has a displacement of 2.5 liters, 160 horsepower, a torque of 450 nanometers, and an 8-speed gearbox. Cab width 2080. Interior 2080, the widest in the light truck industry. The entire interior has ambient lighting, mahogany interior, high and low speed. Why do we need an 8-speed heavy load pulling tool? Because this car is suitable for. What scenarios is it suitable for? It is suitable for green channel and cold chain. So this car is definitely the ceiling.